How to check to see if Siri is on or off for iPhone. To get started, open the Settings application on your phone. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Siri. This screen shows whether Siri features are enabled on your device. On this page, under Siri Requests, tap on Talk to Siri as shown. From here, you can select either Siri or Hey Siri, just Hey Siri, or Off. If Off is selected and you press and hold the power button, you will get to see this prompt. If you tap on Continue, you'll be prompted to set up Siri by saying the messages displayed on the screen. Go through each of them by saying them out loud to your iPhone. And once you go through all 5 of the sentences, tap on Done on the bottom. Now, if Talk to Siri is set on the first 2 options, you can just say Siri or Hey Siri to activate it, which means Siri is on. If it's set on Off, Siri is turned off. Following these steps, you can easily check to see if Siri is on or off for iPhone.